The government of Botswana and business mogul Bridgette Motsepe have reached a court settlement concluding a protracted litigation over allegations made against her in what is now known as the butterfly case. This case affected Bridgette Motsepe's business activities. The settlement agreement is expected to be formalized by a consent order in the High Court of Botswana. This will likely include an apology to Bridgette Motsepe and dismissal of allegations that she received money from Botswana in a clandestine way and that she was involved in fraud and corruption. Motsepe's legal team will continue with a defamation case in South Africa against some South Africans who were involved in the case.
But she is also very conscious that she was not alone in being the target of these vicious lies, and others also will have had their reputations restored today, in particular former President Kama himself, Wilhelmina Maswabi, who was Butterfly, who was imprisoned for 16 months as a result of these false allegations against her, and of course the late Isaac Kuzogi, who died before he could live to see his reputation restored. This has been a 6-year fight, and reputation is precious, and it's particularly precious for someone like Ambassador Motsepe, who is not just known as an extremely successful businesswoman here in South Africa, is known as a sister of Botswana because she studied there and has huge friendship and admiration for the Botswanan people, and of course she has a position as an ambassador of the African Union and a position internationally, where just the other week she received an award in the UK, in London. So now she can rest assured that the vicious lies that were told against her have been comprehensively debunked and justice has been done.
It's not enough for the defamer to say, well, I really didn't mean to do what I did. If it is clear objectively that there was a level of negligence, then it is no defense for the defamer to say that they did not intend or mean to harm the person so defamed. And the fourth element, of course, is that the harm caused by this false statement that was published or communicated must be to the reputation of the person so defamed.
All I asked Sherry to do is for her to just look at the affidavit and see whether this affidavit has merit, and whether all the lies that are and allegations that are said about me and all at the banks of South Africa, the Reserve Bank of South Africa, the ministers of South Africa, and the banks offshore, whether all those allegations are true. And that's what you did. You investigated, and all the banks wrote that it's not true. Those bank accounts don't exist.